Hey guys, it's Kyle from KSX Auto. Today's video, we're going to be doing some maintenance on F250 here. We got a checked engine light that we got to diagnose, and we got some good upgrades coming for the truck for a trip coming up here in the future. We use this truck to get the drift car around to all the events and do all of our drifting, so we need this thing in tip-top shape. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified for our next episode. See you! Our lovely Ford built tough truck here has gotten a check engine light, unfortunately. Take a look. Our code is just a P074, which is lane bank 2, which is driver's side. But that's the only code, which is the interesting part. Normally, if you have a lean side, it's a lean on both, not just one. With it being sort of high on both sides, I'm hoping that we are just looking at a vacuum leak. Handy dandy smoke tester here set up. We're gonna be sticking that into underneath the brake booster, and that should give the whole system a chance to fill up, and hopefully we find a leak. And this is an easy fix. Oh. Okay, it should be filling up the system now. Wait and see if we see smoke anywhere. So it looks like we're coming out of the air filter here. I know there's supposed to be a seal that falls off over time to seal that, but I feel like that's not where I would expect it to be leaking from, because I feel like if it's leaking from here, it would affect both banks. I was really hoping for something over here to be leaking. Get all this smoke out. But yeah, there's supposed to be a seal right here. That is non-existent. Alright, so I laid this foam around the seal of the air box up on the bottom too. This stuff that we use for the radiator and fan install for that. Let's see if this works. Alright, so it definitely helped a lot. We have a little bit of escaping over there, but as you can see, it's coming out over here now. Looks like there's maybe a split or something on the bottom side of this. Keep seeing a little bit of smoke come out of there. I feel like that's not our issue, but I'm hoping with like the vacuum of the engine, like it'll pull that a little bit tighter, because if I just push on it just a little, it stops coming out of there. But at least we sealed that up a little bit better. I was curious to see if we were getting smoke into these vacuum lines over here, and I took this off and we don't have any smoke on this side of the system. You can see it over there coming out of the intake still, but nothing here. So now I'm confused. Alright, after a lot of playing around, we might have found something. Looks like this line in an inconvenient spot has a hole in it. Yeah, there's no way in hell you'd be able to find that without a smoke tester. I don't know what happened to this poor line, but when I was taking the plastic sleeve off, it like split in two. So I'm gonna cut the mangled bit off and then kind of just piece it together with this hose right here. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and clear these codes. So we got no more codes. Disconnect the battery, let the system reset for a second, and then give it a test drive. Alright, no more check engine light. So far, our short-term fuel trims look okay. But in the event that it is a clogged fuel injector, we're gonna give her all the beans here. Let's see. Full throttle. Let it burn. 0 to 60 in 3 minutes. Wide open throttle worked money. But if it was a clogged injector, hopefully that cleared it out. Alright, well, we fixed 2 vacuum leaks on the truck. Hopefully that fixes our issue. So far from that short little drive we just did, no pending check engine light. Hopefully it's good. But next up on the chopping block is, I got a clink up front from the sway bar end links here. So these brand new parts that I replaced fixed the clink for a little bit. It came back. So I don't know if They didn't come pre-greased. I bought a grease gun and I'm gonna grease all the fittings that are up there and just start fresh, and hopefully the clink goes away, because it went away when we first installed it, but it's back now. All right, now that you got the wheel off, you can kind of see it a little bit better. Talking about this fitting right here. There's one on the bottom here, then there's also one down here. So we're gonna grease those puppies up and hope for the best. That guy greased up, the one up underneath greased up, and then I tried this one again, and I think I got a little bit of grease to go in. But like this one visibly got full. This one, it like came out the other side, so I know it was full. I have no clue. I have no clue if that's full or not. It should have more grease in it than when we started. Call that a win. And now we just gotta do the other side. All right, well on the other side, I was able to get it to come out the actual boot, so that means the other side's definitely not full. Well, greasing those ball joints did not fix our noise. Oh well, at least I know that they're all greased up now, and that there's a different issue that I have to figure out. I'm over being underneath the truck. I'm gonna finish up today by taking off our window cowl and wipers here and giving them a quick birthday. They're looking a little sad, so I'll trim black them, make it look just a lot better. Yeah, these guys are looking very sad. These will come back nice. Gonna hit these with 220, then 400. That should be good enough. Looking way better. Welcome to the painting tree. So we'll be painting these guys out and leaving them to dry. First we're gonna hit them with some rust converter, since I don't have any primer and there's a little bit of rust on there. Give it some sort of base coat, and we'll hit it with SEM trim black.
Lightning McQueen here, and I use Rusty's medicated bumper ointment, new rear end formula. Nothing sues a rusty bumper like Rusty's. Wow, look at that shine. Use Rusty's, and you too can look like me. Ka-chow!
My eyeball. It's next day, looking brand new. I'm debating if I want to go down the rabbit hole and paint this too. There's cracks all up in this. I don't know if I want to bother with taking it off. I don't know. We'll see. Looking way better on there once they're painted. I don't think I'm gonna take the cowl off. It's not worth it. That was easy enough. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Click the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments down below. See you in the next one. Peace!